Our prime purpose in this life is to help others. And if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. In order to carry a positive action, we must develop here a positive vision. If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. Love and compassion are necessities, not luxuries. Without them, humanity cannot survive. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. My religion is very simple. My religion is kindness. We can never obtain peace in the outer world until we make peace with ourselves. A calm mind brings inner strength and self-confidence, so that's very important for good health. Sleep is the best meditation. I find hope in the darkest of days and focus in the brightest. I do not judge the universe. The roots of all goodness lie in the soil of appreciation for goodness. When you practice gratefulness, there is a sense of respect toward others. If you can help others, if you cannot do that, at least do not harm them. A lack of transparency results in distrust and a deep sense of insecurity. In the practice of tolerance, one's enemy is the best teacher. Where ignorance is our master, there is no possibility of real peace. Home is where you feel at home and are treated well. Look at situations from all angles, and you will become more open. We can live without religion and meditation, but we cannot survive without human affection. More compassionate mind and more sense of concern for others' well-being is the source of happiness. The best way to resolve any problem in the human world is for all sides to sit down and talk. Out of 6 billion humans, the troublemakers are just a handful. If you have a particular faith or religion, that is good, but you can't survive without it. Disagreement is something normal. My faith helps me overcome such negative emotions and find my equilibrium. We all have to live together, so we might as well live together happily. I think governments can't do much. Even when we have physical hardships, we can be very happy. Computers make me totally blank out. In most cases, my visits to the West are for the promotion of human values and religious harmony. Today, different ethnic groups and different nations come together due to common sense. I describe myself as a simple Buddhist monk, no more, no less. My desire to devolve authority has nothing to do with a wish to shirk responsibility. I consider myself a free spokesman for the people. I think there's every reason this 21st century will be much happier. I always believe the rule by a king or official leader is outdated. Now we must catch up with the modern world. I want to be just a pure spiritual leader. Chinese people themselves really want to change. A number of people have said to me that after hearing your thinking, their mind becomes much happier.